Hey, it's me, Steph. Listen, my big baby is having a baby. She is due the end of September 2023, and I am so excited. She don't really ask for much, but she had a request, and I'm gonna try to do it. Hope you all enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Let's get to it. Okay, so I have a Dollar Tree trifold board, and I'm gonna be using some pre-cut letters that I got from Temu. I got like 100 of them for like $5. And these are some 2-inch letters, 3-inch letters, I'm sorry. These are 3-inch letters. That's what I'm going to be using. Now, you can get letters from the Dollar Tree. You can get letters from all the crafter stores, Walmart, what have you. I just got these from Temu. They were cheap and they're very good. Okay, here are my measurements that I use. From the top of the trifold board, and we're using the center portion, you're going to have 3 inches. So you're going to make a line 3 inches down. So you're going to make a line all the way across. Then from each side, there's 2 inches from each side. So you'll make that line, and that's what these dotted lines are. Then from the bottom, on one side, which is my left side, I am cutting on the back side of the trifold board. So I'm cutting on the side where the writing is at. So I'm actually doing it backwards. When we flip it over, it's going to raise that way. But I'm cutting on the opposite side. So I'm going to do 12.5 inches up on one side, the left side when it's facing me, and 8 inches up on the right side, and then I'm going to draw a straight line and connect them together. So 3 inches across, 2 inches on each side, 12.5 inches on one side, 8 inches on the other side, and I connect them. What I'm going to cut out is I'm going to cut where all the lines meet. So I'm going to cut the portion, the inside portion. You don't want to cut the 2 inches all the way down. So you're going to cut the inside portion, and that's going to be your peak window, or the window where the baby is going to be at. I ended up finding a Walmart trifold board. These Walmart boards are slightly larger than the Dollar Tree board, so I ended up using 1 Walmart trifold board and 2 Dollar Tree trifold board. The Walmart trifold board will be used as the top, which would be the part that we are cutting now. After I make my lines, 2 inches on each side, 3 inches on the top, I go ahead and mark my 12.5 inches on the left side and my 8 inches on the right side. And then I draw a line to connect those. Once I do that, I go ahead and cut that spot out. So I'm going to cut that shape out. After getting that window cut out, I'm going to take that trifold board, which is the Walmart board, and I'm going to put that to the side and get the other 2 Dollar Tree boards. I'm going to remove the flap on one of the boards, and I'm going to measure that flap to fit the end piece of the other board. Once I do that, I'm going to tape them in place on the end pieces. And that completes the bottom of the box for right now. I'm not going to glue it just yet. I'm going to prepare the top. Once I finish that, I'm going to grab that piece that I cut the peep window out of, and I'm going to fold it so that the writing is on the inside. I'm going to take that third piece of trifold board that I cut the flaps off, and I'm going to use that to cut 2 pieces, one to fit on each end of this board. And I'm going to tape that in place also. I'm going to put the tape on the inside because I don't want to mess up the white portion. I'm going to be spray painting that, and I don't want the tape to rip it. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to make sure that the boxes fit prior to gluing them together. So once I tape it together, I'm going to make sure they fit perfectly. Then I'll go back and I'm going to add the hot glue. We have the box that we made out of a Dollar Tree trifold board. That's the bottom portion. Each end, I cut off a flap and made it the size of the box. So this end and that end are flaps from the box. Then I went ahead and taped them just to see if it's going to be okay. I haven't glued it, but I am going to go through and put hot glue through the joints. Now, I have two tops. I have one made with a Walmart trifold board and one made with a Dollar Tree. You can see the Dollar Tree one is slightly smaller, so it is the exact same size as the bottom box. So if you're gonna use 3 Dollar Tree boxes, you would complete the box, which would mean you would take this top. Let me set up my camera so you can see. With the Dollar Tree boxes, trifold board, if you're using 3 Dollar Tree trifold boards, this part right here is one board, which is like this. And then I cut the flaps off of another board and made the bottom pieces, that piece and that piece. So if you're going to use just the Dollar Tree trifold boards, you would go ahead and complete your box. So you would go ahead and decorate it, and then you would glue the boxes together. Okay, and that's with the Dollar Tree, which is perfectly fine. This is how it's gonna look absolutely gorgeous. And the opening is big enough that you can put your small infant in there, okay? Now, if you're gonna use a Walmart one, you would get 2 Dollar Tree boards and 1 Walmart trifold board, which is slightly bigger. And all I did was cut pieces to fit each end from the 3rd Dollar Tree box. I cut the pieces, and you would put these pieces together, and this one would actually slide on there. So you don't have to stick that one together. You'll put baby in there, get baby situated, then slide the top over. And this is the one I'm gonna go with. I'm glad I found that Walmart trifold board. So you can do all Dollar Tree or 2 Dollar Tree. Once I made sure that my box fitted properly, I went ahead and added the hot glue. I left the tape in place and put the hot glue around it. Then once that hot glue dried, I pulled the tape out and put the hot glue where the tape was at. I glued on the inside of both boxes, and I used the mini glue gun so that the beads of glue could be the smallest amount possible. Okay, the last thing left is to decorate the box. I decided to use spray paint. I have about 2 months left before the baby is due, so I have plenty of time for the box to cure. You can decorate your box any way you want. Again, for crafting, there are very few hard wrongs, so it's left up to you and how you want your box to look. I'm going to show you my finished product. Okay, here we go. So I didn't do a lot of decorating. I have the little sandwich board. It has a chalkboard on one side, dry erase on the other side. That will go with this. I did not decorate anything because I don't know how my daughter wanted. But this is the, shouldn't say Barbie doll, but the doll box for pictures. I just stuck some stuff in there that I got. That's a headrest and a pillow from the Dollar Tree. Of course, you can put anything you want in there. This can go till a baby gets about a year old, because as they get older, you can actually just have them sit up in the little opening. So it can go from newborn all the way up to 1 year and probably beyond that if you take care of it. Also, you can change the color of it by putting wrapping paper on it. That's why I did a neutral color. I did the sky gray or winter gray, and it's a neutral color, so the baby you don't have to try to match the baby to the box. So do a neutral color. You don't want them to always have to try to match the blue you put on there or match the pink you put on there. So put a neutral color so that the baby can wear anything. So I got the gray box and the white letters, so that matches everything. And that would be it. You decorate your box how you want. I didn't decorate it again because I feel like the parent can do little cutouts and actually lay them on the box for every different occasion. Say you don't want to do birthday, Christmas time. When Christmas time comes, we can just wrap this, put Christmas wrapping on it, and put Ryder in there. So that's my thinking by not putting any kind of decorations. Thank you all for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow, subscribe, like, leave a comment, a thumbs up, all that good stuff. I appreciate you all. Thanks.